Optical power test RF970. Test 1. Using an SCOAPC patch card to connect RF970 to the ODF. Pay attention to the patch card numbering. Record the data read from the power meter as PG, PR and PS, respectively. Passing test 1 indicates that normal operation of both RF970 host and optical patch card. Test 2. Connect the fiber patch card to ODF. Pay attention to the patch card numbering. Open the ODF cover. Remove the two connectors corresponding to R and S. Record the data read from the power meter as PSI and PRI, respectively. Plug the two parts back in. Passing test 2 indicates that no fusion splicing issues in the whole project. Test 3. Record the data read from the power meter as PRO and PSO, respectively. Passing test 3 indicates a secure connection between the patch card and ODF flange. Plug all parts back in and the test is over. Fill in this table if it is 5 km laser. Fill in this table if it is 20 km laser.